How to connect the YD03 wireless Bluetooth earphones, the one that looks like these here, to a Xiaomi phone running HyperOS with Android 14. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, basically, with these headphones, usually as you take them out the case, they will both enter into a pairing mode state and they will be ready to pair up. So if you do that and that doesn't happen, let's just say they're not blinking like this here. What you're gonna do now is get them into pairing mode. And to do this, first long press them together, make sure they're turned off. So you wanna turn them off first. So hold it down together like this. Okay, and you will hear the voice prompt saying power off. Now the next thing you wanna do is long press them together once again. And when you see them both light up in green, let it go quickly, okay? Do not continue to hold it down. So you'll go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna hold it down together. Here we go. And then you'll let it go, okay? Once it does that, let it go. And you'll notice now one side stays in the blinking mode. So what happened just now is you turn them on together, they sync to each other, and one side stays in the pairing mode, which is usually the left side. Now, once that happens, now you can go into your Xiaomi phone, whether it's the Poco phone or the Xiaomi phone with HyperOS. So here now, you'll use the quick access. You'll look for the Bluetooth toggle. And when you see it, you'll long press it. Then go to more settings. When you go to more settings, this gives you a better view of what's going on. And you'll see YD03, okay? As you tap on that here, you will get the prompt to pair it, and of course go with pair. Then you will see connecting, and it shows you that your YD03 is now connected. So that's it, and you will know it's fully connected when there is no longer that blinking green light on the earphone. So if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.